TechGenie Firewall protects your computer from inbound and outbound unauthorized connection attempts, both on local networks and on the internet. Here's an overview of the module. When you click on the Firewall tab, the first option you get lets you customize its settings as per your need. Slide the button located on the right side of the window to turn the firewall on and off. When you disable the firewall, the computer is exposed to unauthorized connections, so doing this should always be a temporary measure. We recommend you turn it back on as soon as possible. Click on Traffic Control to block or allow various types of traffic. Internet connection sharing allows sharing of your internet connection. You can enable it when you need to share your internet connection with another device. Port scan blocking detects and blocks attempts to find out which ports are open. Port scans are usually used by hackers to find open ports on your computer. Enable it if you suspect network vulnerability. The firewall uses a set of rules to filter data transmitted to and from your system. It monitors firewall activity in real time. Firewall rules are further divided into 3 categories: general rules, application rules, and adapter rules. Whenever data is transmitted over the internet, certain protocols are used. General rules determines the protocols over which communication is allowed. Although it is a set of default rules that provide optimal protection, you can edit them by allowing or denying connections over certain protocols. Once you make the required changes, click Apply, and on the confirmation window, click OK to save the settings. Then click Close. Application rules determine how each application can access network resources and the internet. They control whether an application can send and receive packets. You can also manually add or edit rules for applications and delete rules that are already added. To do so, click the corresponding button. A new window pops up. Click Browse next to Program Path and select the application the rule applies to. The Local Address section lets you specify the local IP address and port the rule applies to. If you have more than one network adapter, clear the Any checkbox and type a specific IP address. Remote Address lets you specify the remote IP address and port that the rule applies to. To filter traffic between your computer and a specific computer, clear the Any checkbox and type its IP address. Select the traffic direction the rule applies to in the Direction section. Use the Permission section to allow or block network or internet access for the specified application. Click Apply to save the changes. To edit a rule, click on it and click Edit Rule. Make the desired changes and then click Apply. To remove a rule, simply select it and click Remove Rule. Adapter rules determine whether your computer can communicate with other computers connected to the same network. For each network connection, you can configure special trusted or untrusted zones. To do so, click Adapter Rules under Firewall Rules. In the window that pops up, you can add, edit, and remove zones. To add rules, click on Add Zone and select the IP address of the computer you want to add the rule for. Choose whether you want to block or allow traffic between your computer and the selected one and click Apply. Now, the second option under the Rules tab, Firewall Activity, shows the current network or internet activity over TCP and UDP for various applications. Finally, the Events tab displays a comprehensive list of events related to and activities detected by the firewall module usage. To view details for an event, click the entry and click Event Details. So, that was all about the module that shields your PC from undesirable traffic.